Do you know the amazing benefits of cocoa butter for your skin? This rich, creamy substance is a skincare powerhouse. It drenches your skin in deep, nourishing moisture, leaving it plush and supple. Cocoa butter is also a potent anti-aging ally, packed with antioxidants that help tighten skin and reduce the appearance of aging. It boosts skin elasticity, warding off wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, it's an effective treatment for spots and scars, helping to even out skin tone. So how can you incorporate this wonderful ingredient into your skincare routine? Let's explore some natural recipes. Natural skincare recipes using cocoa butter can enhance your skin's health and beauty. Let's dive into 2 simple yet effective recipes. Our first recipe is a cocoa butter moisturizer. You'll need 2 tablespoons of pure cocoa butter, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 3 drops of your preferred essential oil, like lavender. Mix these ingredients well and apply the mixture to your skin before bedtime. This will provide deep moisturization, leaving your skin soft and glowing when you wake up. Next up, we have a cocoa and honey face mask. For this, take 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter and 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Blend these together and apply the mixture to your face for 15 to 20 minutes. After rinsing off with warm water, you'll find your skin radiating with a natural glow and softness. These recipes are easy to make and can provide your skin with all the benefits of cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a nature's gift for our skin, offering deep moisturization, anti-aging properties, improved elasticity, and a remedy for spots and scars. The simple natural recipes we've shared today, the cocoa butter moisturizer and cocoa honey face mask, are fantastic ways to harness these benefits. Remember, it's always wise to perform a patch test before introducing any new product into your skincare routine. Try out these recipes and share your experiences with us in the comments below. We can't wait to hear how cocoa butter has improved your skin.